Once upon a time, in a big and busy Western city, where people from all over the world live side by side, different languages, different cultures, different stories, there lived a Muslim family, a father, a mother, and their daughter, Maryam. Maryam was 9 years old. She had big, curious eyes, a warm smile, and a heart full of kindness. The family had just moved to a new neighborhood, new street, new school, new everything. Maryam felt a little nervous. One Saturday morning, she was looking through her bedroom window when she noticed something. Next door, a moving truck was parked outside. A new family was moving in. Maryam watched carefully. There was a little girl, about her age, with red hair and freckles. She was sitting alone on the front steps, looking sad. While her parents were busy carrying boxes inside, the little girl just sat there, alone. Maryam turned to her mother and said, "Mama, that girl looks sad. Can I go say hello?" Her mother smiled warmly. "Of course, my love, but why don't you take something with you?" Maryam thought for a moment, then ran to the kitchen. She carefully made a small plate of homemade cookies, her grandmother's recipe, warm and sweet. She walked slowly to the door next door, took a deep breath, and knocked. The little girl opened the door. Maryam smiled and said, "Hi, my name is Maryam. I live next door. I thought you might like these." The little girl looked at the cookies, then at Maryam, and her eyes lit up. "I'm Sophie," she said quietly. "Thank you." "Moving is hard," said Maryam softly. "I just moved here too. Maybe we can be friends." Sophie smiled for the first time that day. A real smile. The two girls sat on the front steps together, sharing cookies, talking and laughing until the sun went down. That evening, Maryam told her father everything. Her father hugged her and said, "Maryam, my dear, do you know what the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said about neighbors? He said, Jibreel kept advising me about the neighbor until I thought he would make them an heir. Your neighbor has a right over you, always." Maryam nodded quietly. "So I did the right thing?" she asked. Her father kissed her forehead. "You did exactly what a good Muslim does, my love." That night, Maryam looked out her window. The light in Sophie's room was on, and she could see Sophie looking back at her and waving. Maryam waved back and smiled because she knew one small act of kindness can change someone's entire day. And that, my dear children, is our lesson today. Be kind to your neighbors, all of them, wherever you live in this world, because kindness has no language, no color, no border. The end. Remember, children, your neighbor has a right over you. Be kind always. That is the beautiful teaching of Islam.